AUTO-HINGE Flag Type uses the spring hinge and damper hinge as a pair. The spring hinge, which is attached to the upper part of the door, closes the door automatically or holds it open. The damper hinge, which is attached to the lower part of the door, adjusts its closing speed. The freeze-stop mechanism holds the door open easily between 85 and 180 degrees. The door closes automatically when released at 0 to 85 degrees. When hanging the door, align the notch of the damper hinge's shaft with that of the hole in the door piece. Remove the cap of the spring hinge. Open the door about 5 to 10 degrees to align the sides of the set holes. Insert the set screws securely into the set holes. Tighten the set screws securely until it touches the base. Further open the door 30 degrees or more. Then, remove the preset pin. Store the preset pin inside the cap of the spring hinge, as it will be needed when removing the door. Tighten the hex socket set screw of the damper hinge using the accompanying hex wrench. Remove the cap of the damper hinge. To adjust the door's closing speed, use a screwdriver to turn the speed adjustment screw as shown on the top of the cap. Turn the speed adjustment screw counterclockwise to increase the closing speed. Turn the speed adjustment screw clockwise to decrease the closing speed. Attach the cap of the damper hinge. Use the hex key to loosen the hex socket set screw of the damper hinge. Remove the cap of the spring hinge. Take out the stored preset pin. Open the door about 30 degrees or more. Then, insert the preset pin. The door will stop at roughly 5-degree position when closing. Loosen the set screws using the accompanying hex key and remove them. Removing the set screws disengages the spring, making it possible for the door to be removed.